Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on laptop or PC with Windows. Let's say you want to capture a screen on your computer and save it as an image. To take a screenshot, press Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. Then you will get a toolbar at the top. You can use these options to take a screenshot. I'm going to use this. Now drag the mouse where you want to capture it and the screenshot is taken. Now click on it. Here you can draw on your screenshot using these options. Now to save this screenshot, click here and you can select the option wherever you want to save. Now click on it. You can see the screenshot which we captured here. Now let's see how you can capture an entire web page as a screenshot. To do that, we need to install an extension on our computer. So you have to come for this www.tools screenshot/chrome. Now you have to click on this add to Chrome, then click on this add extension and it will be installed. Now go to this page, click on this extensions and click on this extension, then select this option capture entire page. As you can see, the entire web page has been captured. Now click here, save as image. Again, you can easily select wherever you want to save, then tap on this save and the screenshot will be downloaded to your computer. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.